Look who has arrived!
Hello, sweet.
Hello!
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello! How exciting!
And Stephanie, guess it's Halloween. So guess it's full of commas. The Scottish Chainsaw Massacre.
It's good to see everyone is ready for the party.
Walton, Marie and Liam are sneaking off with all of the rubbish from the courtyard so that when Mummy sees it, it will all be gone and it'll be shock and awe at everything that Walton's done to clear.
Very strong, okay?
All of the junk has gone. How is this possible? I don't understand where it went.
I made a really big hole and I just stuck it all in there and we filled it on top of soil.
Oh my goodness, really?
It's good.
I haven't seen that in there.
The new dresser from the charity shop.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh, well done, thank you.
Yeah, pretty nice, huh?
And look at the fountain.
We actually didn't know what that was.
And then these two got cleaned out as well.
Oh, no. Look. Oh, look. Oh, my goodness, we could only come in. Oh, you transported everything.
Where is everything?
It is amazing. Oh, my goodness.
Well, we can see what we
Thank
have
you,
now.
Thank you, thank you.
We have some really nice tiles.
Yeah, they're all usable. Everything that wasn't, I got rid of.
And you managed this? Oh, you managed this. Oh,
Stuff we ended up keeping from all those different rooms.
oh, yes. That is perfect.
Oh, there's a nice bed here to restore. Oh, excellent.
Well, those files we should use around, you know.
Log burners.
That one would be very efficient.
Another Saturday, another visit to the thrift store. And this time I have bought 2 wall lights, €2 each, which I think is a pretty decent bargain. And even more excitingly, hidden away amidst all of this, I have found this 3-seater sofa, which I think is really English country house style, like John Fowler and Nancy Lancaster, and it's only €40. I'm sure I can find a spot for that at Lalande. Its peacocks will be coming home to join ours. They gave me a sweetie again this time. I feel the charity's coming more towards me than towards the charity shop here. I'm having a lot of luck with French shops at the moment. I've come to the DIY shop to get the curtain rails for Mummy's apartment, and they've just handed me a coffee here as well. Life's pretty good. Time to move the sheep to the other pasture for winter, so that this year they don't destroy my hedge, as they did last year so gleefully. And our plan, as we failed to herd them in every other attempt this year, is to catch the leader, the great and mighty Aloysius. How do they know? Like literally, if we're not trying to herd them, they run straight up to us. And the minute we're trying to herd them, oh, there we go, this might work. The others will come, they'll follow him. Oh, finally they're showing a little loyalty. He is the most stubborn creature. He spends all of his time trying to kill us when we have our backs turned. We just try to give him better grass, and this is how he repays us, with an epic sulk. Oh dear. Right, that's the last we'll see of them for some time. Thor is just keeping an eye on the situation from the scaffolding. Yes, all the sheep are being extremely silly, aren't they, Thor? Look, a lovely new field.
Take this one first.
Okay, now we just need the rest of the family. What's the hay plan?
It's just for me and Marie.
What? No. Okay. Not today.
Have you ever heard the phrase running rings around you? There's no way we're catching them today.
We lost the battle,
So we haven't lost the war.
but a brief moment of dismay.
Good morning to the first snow of the year.
This is it. The geese are flying overhead, and finally this seemingly endless summer has come to an end. So it's time to light the fires in the house and get ready for some snug evenings.
Here are two new workawayers, all the
Yeah,
way
we are
from
making some
Mumbai.
Indian food.
Yes, so what are you making?
We are making, this is a pakora. This is, we call this pakora. This is onion, made of onion and flour. And this is of potatoes and gram flour. It's of maize flour.
I feel like the luckiest woman in the world right now.
And this is called biryani. This is most favorite and most famous food in Asian countries.
Have you tried one?
Oh my god, they're amazing. You need to, have you not had one yet?
No.
Oh my god, get one down you now.
Here we go. Are they good with gin?
They're good with anything.
Yeah, they are good with gin.
They're good with gin.
It's delicious.
I have the flu and I don't feel much like a party, but Michael's gonna sort that out and transform me into a vampire.
Yes, we are.
And you have to see how Michael looks right now.
I haven't got my costume on though.
Oh, okay, you're not allowed to see how
Yeah,
Michael
you
looks
have
right
to
now.
wait.
Michael has made me into an evil vampire queen. And now it is time to go and dance the night away. The ghostly approach to the chapel.
Michael, Mummy and Gerald. Yes, that is my family.
But I ate my plate and I ate some of my son's plate.
There we have Percy, who is a Ghostbuster, and Ian, who is the Grim Reaper, but with a Thor hammer.
Yes. I am the Grim Thor Reaper.
And here is wife of Thor. You look amazing, and the biryani that you made was amazing.
Thank you so much.
What are you both?
What are you?
We will eat you for dinner.
Oh, so you're a vampire, but I'm sorry, Donna, I'm the queen of the vampires, so I think I outrank you.
What? Do we have a queen?
Yeah, it's me.
I've seen Twilight, there is no queen.
And Walton?
There are victims and men.
Clearly the Raven.
I'm the Raven,
Yeah.
Michael Petherick.
Oh, hi. Oh, I'm sorry, I just came back from the war in a box.
Sexy dead soldier.
Sexy dead soldier.
I hope that you've been writing a lot of war poems.
I've written some lovely love letters.
Can we hear them later?
Oh, you can, yes. Tina, come here. Tina's come to the Halloween party. She's come as a chihuahua.
Clever! Usually she's human. It's a very, very good costume.
Andreas, as always, you are an otherworldly creature.
Well, thank you.
Dana has brought me the best cake ever seen. Right, come on everyone. It's time to dance.
Let's go to dance.